If you need to embed an itinerary onto your website, start by navigating to the Library section and selecting Itineraries. Click on the specific itinerary you want to display. Make sure you have the right language selected in case you have your itinerary in multiple languages. Your itinerary will be embedded in the selected language. Look for the iFrame button in the upper right corner. Click it to automatically copy the embed code to your clipboard. Next, go to your website's content management system. Navigate to the page where you usually paste text, but, and this is important, switch to HTML code mode before pasting. Paste the code into the window and save your changes. The itinerary will now be visible on your site. The best part is that any future updates you make to this itinerary in the system will instantly reflect on your website. Those embedded itineraries will improve your website's visibility in Google and other search engines. If you have an existing offer or trip that you want to embed, you must first move it to the itinerary section. Find your offer or trip and click the button on the right side of the item. Select Convert, then choose Clone to Itineraries and click Save. Once cloned, you can follow the previous steps to copy the iFrame code. Finally, if you want to create and embed an itinerary from a file or raw text, navigate to Offers and click New AI Offer. Select the countries visited and your desired output language. Then, simply upload your file or paste your text. Once the AI itinerary is created, you will need to convert it just like before. Select Clone to Itineraries. Then, go to the Itinerary section. Click on your newly created itinerary and hit that iFrame button to grab your code for the website. With these simple steps, you can ensure your website content remains fresh, engaging, and fully optimized for search engines.